flagship next-generation Hadrian X has successfully completed its site acceptance test in the United States, signalling the commencement of FBR's demonstration program with CRH Ventures. The site acceptance test structure was constructed outdoors at the Fort Myers facility in Florida and was built to the same specifications as the factory acceptance test structure, this time incorporating bond beam blocks. An independent structural engineer provided confirmation that the walls of the test build were consistent with the design and met applicable building standards. Completion of site acceptance testing marks a major milestone in FBR's international expansion and the commencement of the demonstration program. The demonstration program requires FBR to construct 5 single-storey houses utilising the Hadrian X construction robot for builders in the United States, plus up to 5 houses added to the program by CRH Ventures, with all houses to be certified by an independent structural engineer.